morning guys, welcome to day 9 of the liver rescue cleanse. I already had my lemon water, now I'm going out with my best friend, celery juice of course. We are on day 9 of the liver rescue cleanse, the last day of this 9-day adventure. And today we're only gonna have liquids. This is a day when the liver is at its peak cleansing time, and we are actually giving your gut some rest while fueling still your adrenals and your liver with phytonutrients, with minerals, and of course with healthy glucose to also stabilize your blood sugar levels so you have enough energy to do the cleansing and the detox work. Guys, today's will be very different. We are only having liquids. This means that for the whole day you either consume juices, water, or smoothies. And it's pretty simple, the structure. We have the same morning and the same evening routine as the other day. So we have lemon water in the morning, then we go for the celery juice. And then in the evening we have the lemon water again, and then your healing tea, either hibiscus or lemon balm. What's in addition is that we have another celery juice in the evening. And so it's 2 celery juices in total. And then during the day you have 2 apple cucumber juices. This is the same amount as the celery juice, so 16 to 20 ounces. 2 of them throughout the day. And then you can have smoothies. And those smoothies either contain just melon, watermelon is gonna be the option I'm gonna opt for. Watermelon smoothie, oh my god. Just watermelon blended. Or you can have papaya smoothie, or you can use fresh pressed orange juice to keep you full, because it's not about getting hungry, it's about giving your gut a digestive break so your liver can do more healing work while being fueled with nutrients, minerals, vitamins, and of course the healthy glucose to keep your brain and your liver functioning perfectly and also having the energy to do the healing work. Now guys, I'm gonna sip off my celery juice now, go for a walk around the lake, and I see you back in the kitchen, probably with the cucumber apple juice. I just came back home and I'm super hungry for my cucumber apple juice. So this is what we're gonna do. So you see, these are 3 apples. This is 1 cucumber. That's gonna hopefully bring me 16 ounces of cucumber juice. And then I do another portion of those ones to go for a meeting so I can take it with me. Here we are guys, just finishing up my first portion of cucumber apple juice. Really tasty. And then here's the second one. Yeah, this is a little bit more than 16 ounces, I would say like 20 maybe. And I'm gonna take that away with me. Now guys, this stuff is super sweet, I really liked it. One thing I wanted to say that I noticed throughout the liver rescue cleanse, for me personally, I was always somebody who has a lot of allergies and sinus congestion, and I feel really like my main issue is like my lungs and also my digestion indirectly. I noticed throughout this liver cleanse that actually stuff is moving out from my body, like my nose right now, you can maybe hear like my nose is a little bit congested. I also felt I had some pimples when I woke up. I was like, what the fuck? I'm eating so well and then I get those pimples, but I'm feeling better, so that's a good sign. Even now I'm still cleansing, I'm still detoxing. This journey never ends, and just wanted to let you know. So if you go on this cleanse and old symptoms are coming up again, maybe you have sneezing, maybe you have skin breakouts, this doesn't have to be a bad sign if you feel overall better. So that was the case for me. I'm gonna finish my apple cucumber drink right now and then go to my meeting, and I see you back for the watermelon smoothie. Yay! Can't wait for that. Watermelon smoothie. So what I'm gonna do, this is half a watermelon. I think altogether it was like 2.5 kilo. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use 1.5 and basically just put it in the blender. We are the end result. Haven't tasted it yet. So I put everything in. Seeds, everything goes in. The seeds are amazing. They contain a lot of protein and also help digesting the watermelon so you don't get so bloated. Look at this color, isn't it amazing? I basically just put those cubes in the blender without water, and now I'm gonna eat it. Check this out. Oh yeah, happy liver, happy Peggy. This is amazing, guys. Such a nice change from all the cucumber and apple and celery. Hey guys, just came back home and guess what I'm having? Celery juice! Yay! I was actually looking forward today to the celery juice this evening. I don't know why, maybe it's because I had so much fruit over the day and now I'm really craving for this salty snack. That's gonna be my liquid evening food. And then we go for the lemon juice again in like, I don't know, 45 minutes, something like that. And then lots and lots of lemon balm tea before I go to bed. Now guys, question of the day. I wanna know from you in this last liver rescue video, what of the foods that you're supposed to eat or you saw me eating you like the least? What's like a food where you feel like, no, please, not for me. Either because you don't like the taste or you can't digest it, you have actually digestive issues with that. Let me know, one comment, one word in the comments below. And now before we end this video, let's have a look what I ate today on the Liver Rescue Cleanse, day number 9, the liquid day. Let's go! Guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the liver rescue protocol. I wish you a beautiful time whenever you do that, whenever you see this video, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.